Did you know that one simple kitchen combo turmeric and olive oil can boost your body's defense against cancer? Today you'll learn why scientists are so excited about this duo, and how to make a powerful healing drink at home. The Greek physician Hippocrates once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Modern science is proving him right, especially when it comes to turmeric. Turmeric's active compound curcumin has been studied in over 2,000 scientific papers. Research shows it can do some pretty amazing things. First, it can stop cancer cells from growing. That's right, this humble spice has the power to put the brakes on those dangerous cells. But it doesn't stop there. Curcumin can also trigger apoptosis, which is basically cell death in abnormal cells. It's like a natural cleanup crew for your body. And let's not forget about inflammation. We're learning more and more about how chronic inflammation fuels many diseases. Well, turmeric is a champion at reducing this inflammation, helping to keep your body in balance. Here's where it gets really interesting. Unlike chemotherapy drugs, which can be pretty harsh on your body, turmeric has a special talent. It can actually tell the difference between healthy cells and unhealthy ones. It's like a smart bomb that only targets the bad guys. Even better, when combined with chemotherapy, curcumin may increase the effectiveness of treatment. It's like having a powerful ally in your fight against cancer. But hold on, there's a catch. Our bodies aren't great at absorbing curcumin on its own. It's like having a superpower that you can't quite access. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. By combining turmeric with black pepper, which contains a compound called piperine, and a healthy fat like olive oil, you can boost absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo, 2,000%. So, how can you harness this power for yourself? Let me share a simple recipe that comes from Dr. Caroline Anderson, a Canadian physician who studied turmeric extensively. She calls it the turmeric olive oil shot, and it's super easy to make. Here's what you need: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of black pepper. That's it. Just mix all these ingredients in a small glass. You can drink it as a daily shot, or if you're not feeling that brave, you can add it to soups, vegetables, or salad dressings. It's simple, powerful, and believe it or not, quite delicious. But the benefits of this dynamic duo don't stop at fighting cancer. Olive oil and turmeric together are like a health powerhouse. They support heart and brain health, which is crucial as we age. If you're dealing with joint pain or inflammation, this combo can help reduce that too. It's also great for improving digestion, something we could all use a little help with sometimes. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Both turmeric and olive oil are packed with these protective compounds that help fight off damage in your body. Now, I'm curious, would you take this turmeric olive oil shot daily, or would you rather mix it into your food? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'd incorporate this powerful combo into your routine. If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button and share this video with someone who loves natural remedies. And hey, if you want more turmeric recipes and health tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got a whole playlist dedicated to the power of turmeric that you won't want to miss. Before we wrap up, I do need to add a quick disclaimer. While turmeric and olive oil are safe for most people, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor if you're on medication, especially blood thinners or diabetes drugs. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. Remember, nature has provided us with some incredible tools for staying healthy. Turmeric and olive oil are just two examples of how simple ingredients from your kitchen can have powerful effects on your body. So why not give this cancer-fighting combo a try? Your body might just thank you for it.